Good morning, Daaztsá, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Since today is Easter, I have my good friend here, Elizabeth Bryant, who is going to help me with today's Navajo Word of the Day. So the word is Easter. So to say Easter in Navajo, you say, Jesus Daaztsá Náádiidzáhígíí Bééhániih. So we're going to have Elizabeth Bryant say our Navajo Word of the Day.
Jesus Daaztsá Náádiidzáhígíí Bééhániih.
Nice. And since it is Easter, we're gonna sing just the chorus to "I Remember Calvary."
Jesus yigááł ak'is. Jesus yigááł Daaztsá. Ani ak'is nilí. Háálá Calvary, béénáshniih. Amen.
Amen. And happy Easter.
Happy Easter.